Good night. My name is Rubén Darío Carmona Patiño. I am a minister assistant in here in clinic located in Medellin. I am from Medellin, Colombia. I live with my mother and my father in the Vélez neighborhood. I am 28 years old. My favorite hobbies are playing soccer, do sport, go to the movies, listen to music. I am currently studying technology in radiology and diagnostic imaging. My favorite television programs are all those that have to do with soccer, whether they games or soccer debates. Describing my family. I have short but very loving family. This is composed by my mother, my father, my sister. My mother is Eugenia Patiño. She is 56 years old. She is housewife. She is from Medellin. My mother is very friendly. She is very low, of medium weight. She has black eyes and she has short black hair. My father is Guillermo Carmona. He is 59 years old. He is a mechanic of car. My father is very quiet. He is gentle. He is medium high and bit heavy. He has brown eyes and little hair. My sister is Jenny Carmona. She is 33 years old. She is portfolio assistant. She is from Medellin. She is very pretty and sweet. She is short, medium weight. She has black eyes and as long blonde hair.